You asked, how to divide 1800 by 4 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 18. 18 divided by 4 equals 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. 18 minus 16 equals 2. Bring down 0, making 20. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. 5 times 4 equals 20. 20 minus 20 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 4 equals 0. 0 times 4 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 450.